Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit products that have been added to your website in case they are affiliated from a website. In my case, I have affiliation with aliexpress.com. So there are just few simple steps. All you need to do is open your WordPress website and then go to product section. I'm using WooCommerce, and it's up to you to use your relevant plugin or something that you like the most. So without further ado, let's just dive into a product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump to the last page, and I'm already on the last one, and I'll go to this product. In my case, these are maternity products which have been added to this website, and I've been assigned to edit the descriptions and titles according to the main websites. Simply, I will just go to aliexpress.com and view the same product. You see here it is link of the affiliate product. Now I will copy the text and add it into the title. Then go to the features. Okay, so here I see I need to copy all of these and text. So I'm not going to justify this one and paste. So this is how I simply added products. So you can use the same method. Just add the description, the table, and the note you wanted to add, the product images, and then I've got to make sure that there is no shipping here, because the client wants me to remove all the ships from China and Japan. So there's no one, and now we're gonna update it. Once it is updated, I have to open this link. Open link in new tab and check if everything is in order. Meanwhile, copy this link, Ctrl+C, and check. Yeah, it's fine. There is no shipping option here, and that's okay. Yes, table seems to be fine. The products are in line, and yes, everything is in order. So this is all you need to do to edit the products in like the client asked me to do. So just now I have to open my document and add 117 Ctrl+C, like manage all of these links in the products. That's simple one way method you need to do this.